Did you know that 80% of your immune system lives in your gut, yet millions of people are walking around with intestinal walls so damaged they're literally leaking toxins into their bloodstream every single day? If you've been struggling with unexplained bloating, brain fog, skin problems, or stubborn weight gain that just won't budge no matter what you try, this could be the missing link to finally fixing it. What you're about to discover in the next few minutes will completely change how you think about gut health. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your digestive issues keep coming back and the simple steps thousands of people are using to heal their gut naturally and permanently. Here's what most people don't realize about leaky gut syndrome. Your intestinal lining is supposed to act like a selective barrier, allowing nutrients in while keeping harmful toxins out. But when this lining becomes damaged and permeable, it creates microscopic holes that allow undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins to leak directly into your bloodstream. Your immune system sees these foreign invaders and goes into overdrive, creating chronic inflammation throughout your entire body. This is why leaky gut doesn't just cause digestive problems. It triggers everything from autoimmune conditions to anxiety, weight gain, and even skin issues like eczema and acne. Most people think that taking basic probiotics or avoiding gluten will fix this issue. But in reality, these surface-level approaches might actually be making things worse. Here's why. If your gut lining is still damaged, even beneficial bacteria can't properly colonize and do their job. It's like trying to plant seeds in concrete. Without healing the foundation first, nothing will grow. The biggest mistake people make is treating symptoms instead of addressing the root cause. They pop antacids for heartburn, take fiber supplements for constipation, or eliminate entire food groups hoping their problems will disappear. But until you actually repair that damaged intestinal lining, you're just putting a band-aid on a much deeper problem. So, what actually works to heal leaky gut naturally? Let me share 3 science-backed strategies that address the root cause. First, eliminate the inflammatory triggers. The most common culprits damaging your gut lining are processed foods, excess sugar, chronic stress, and certain medications like NSAIDs. A study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology found that even short-term exposure to these triggers can increase intestinal permeability by up to 300%. The key is giving your gut a break from these inflammatory foods while you focus on healing. Second, rebuild with healing compounds. Your intestinal lining regenerates every 3 to 5 days, which means you have incredible potential for rapid healing when you provide the right building blocks. L-glutamine is particularly powerful. It's the primary fuel source for intestinal cells. Research shows that supplementing with L-glutamine can reduce intestinal permeability by up to 70% in just 2 weeks. Zinc is another crucial player. It helps maintain the tight junctions between intestinal cells, essentially the glue that keeps your gut barrier intact. Studies demonstrate that zinc deficiency directly correlates with increased intestinal permeability. Third, restore the microbiome balance. Here's where most people get it wrong with probiotics. It's not just about taking any probiotic. You need specific strains that can actually survive stomach acid and colonize in your intestines. Lactobacillus plantarum and Bifidobacterium longum are particularly effective for healing leaky gut. But here's the catch. Probiotics alone aren't enough. You also need prebiotics, which are essentially food for beneficial bacteria. Without prebiotics, probiotics can't establish themselves and create lasting change. The problem most people face is that healing leaky gut requires a very specific combination of compounds in precise ratios, taken at the right time, for the right duration. Getting this balance wrong is why so many people try natural approaches and don't see results. Now, while these individual strategies can help, there's something even more powerful that thousands of people are using to accelerate their gut healing process dramatically. With this one simple approach, you'll be able to quickly soothe your gut, restart your digestion, and drop up to 10 pounds of toxic buildup clogging your intestines within days. It sounds almost too good to be true, but thousands of men and women with digestive issues say it works wonders. Moreover, it's 100% backed by science. This breakthrough method combines all the healing compounds we just discussed, but in a precise formula that's been specifically designed to repair leaky gut from multiple angles simultaneously. Instead of guessing with individual supplements or hoping your current approach will eventually work, this targets the root cause with surgical precision. What makes this different is that it doesn't just throw probiotics at the problem. It actually prepares your gut environment first, then delivers the exact strains and healing compounds your intestinal lining needs to repair itself quickly and permanently. People are reporting dramatic improvements in their digestion, energy levels, and even weight loss within the first week. The brain fog lifts, the bloating disappears, and for the first time in years, they can eat foods they love without fear of painful digestive consequences. If you truly want to completely end your digestive issues, empty your bowels faster, feel lighter, and even lose some extra weight starting today, don't miss the breakthrough method in the link below. This isn't another quick fix or temporary solution. This is about finally addressing leaky gut at its source and giving your body exactly what it needs to heal permanently. The sooner you start, the faster you'll experience the relief you've been searching for. Thousands of people just like you have already transformed their health using this exact approach. They've gone from dreading meals and feeling uncomfortable in their own skin to having boundless energy, perfect digestion, and the confidence that comes with optimal gut health. The link to learn more about this complete gut healing system is in the description below and pinned in the comments. Click it now to discover how you can start healing your leaky gut naturally and see results within days, not months. Remember, every day you wait is another day your gut lining remains damaged, allowing more toxins into your bloodstream and creating more inflammation throughout your body. Your health is too important to leave to chance. Click the link below right now and take the first step toward the digestive health and energy you deserve. Your gut and your entire body will thank you for it.